MathKlik.
Mabuhay! How do we combine sets? This lesson is about the set operation union of sets. If we want to combine the elements of two sets, we take their union. The union of two sets A and B is the set whose elements are those which belong to set A, or to set B, or to both sets A and B. The union of these sets is represented by the shaded parts in the Venn diagram. And this is how we write the union of A and B in symbols, which is read as A union B. The union symbol is also interpreted as OR. A union B can also be read as A or B. Let us explain this set operation with examples. Let A be a set whose elements are 1, 3, 5, and 7. B is a set whose elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is a set whose elements are 3, 6, 9. To form the union of sets A and B, we simply put all the elements of the two sets together in one set. Arranging the elements in ascending order will make the solution elegant and in order. To form the union of sets B and C, again, we simply put all the elements of the sets together in one set. Take note that no element is written more than once. Hence, the element 6, which belongs to both B and C, is listed only once in B union C. The union of set B and an empty set is the same as set B. The union of a non-empty set and an empty set is a set that is equal to the non-empty set. Parang nagdadagdag ka ng set na walang laman sa isang set na may laman. The union of set B to itself is the same as set B. The union of a set to itself is the set that is equal to the given set. Ito ang kaibahan sa addition ng numbers. Kung 1 plus 1 equals 2, sa set B union B is still B. Ito ay dahil hindi isinusulat ng paulit-ulit ang mga elements ng set. Since every set is a subset of the universal set, it follows that every element of set B is an element of the universal set. Hence, the union of set B with the universal set is the universal set. Hindi mababago ang universal set ng anumang union ng subset sa universal set. Sa example na ito, ipapakita natin na may commutative property na maaaring gamitin sa union ng sets. Let X be a set whose elements are 0, 1. Y is a set with element 2. And Z is a set with elements 2, 3, 4. Let's find X union quantity Y union Z closed quantity. Simply substitute the given sets to the given expression. First, we take the union of sets Y and Z. Then, we take the union of X and the result of the union of Y and Z. Thus, X union quantity Y union Z is the set whose elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we find quantity x union y close quantity union z. Again, we substitute the given sets to the given expression. First, we take the union of sets x and y, and then we take the union of the results of the union of x and y with set z. Thus, quantity x union y close quantity union z is the set whose elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take note that the two resulting sets are equal. Therefore, x union quantity y union z is equal to quantity x union y close quantity union z. Now, try this. Let A be a set whose elements are -4, -3, -2, and so on until 15. And B is a set whose elements are -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 until 16. Question: what is A or B? Did you get A union B equals -4, -3, -2, and so on until 16? For more matitinig tips, just click MathKlik. And please, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for our next video lesson. See ya!